Approximately 15 years ago, I had a calcium buildup on my aortic valve, sort of like a little murmur. We monitored it for about 15 years. A couple of months ago, my wife and I decided that maybe we should have the procedure done. Hi, I'm Ben Depasquale, and I was a patient at St. Peter's Hospital. We chose St. Peter's Hospital for the operation with Dr. Saifi because they have a wonderful program there on heart surgery. I was a little nervous at first once I got in the prep room. Then when I went into the operating room and I saw all the fine people in there, my nervousness went away. I said, I'm good. They replaced my aortic valve, and I had 5 bypasses. Initially it was only 3, and then they found 2 more, so they went ahead and did the 5. And the staff was unbelievable. They're caring, conscientious, responsible people, and they made me feel at home. My wife and I had a nice life prior to the operation, and we have a little bit better life after the operation, you know. We're going to see more of our grandchildren, and we're going to go to bed and breakfasts and things like that we haven't done in the past. If I had to have an operation again, I would definitely go back to St. Peter's.